Hello student, welcome to digital classes. This video is for class 7. The subject is science and the chapter number 7, weather, climate and adaptation of animals to the climate. This is the second part of the video. In the first part I taught you about the weather, climate, the difference between weather and climate, and geographical factor affecting the climates at a particular places, and the last climate of our country. In this video I am going to tell you about adaptation of animals to the climate. So the characteristic of life, all living things change to fit their environment by adaptations. Before starting this chapter, means second part, these questions comes in our mind. Why do tiger have stripes? Why are bullfrog green on the back and white on the belly? Why do giraffe have such a long neck? Why do geese fly south for the winter? Why do water lilies float? Why do some plants bear fruits? All of these questions deal with adaptations. Now in this video I am going to tell you about the adaptation of different animals and how do animals survive in tropical rainforest. So first start with what are adaptations. Adaptation, an inherited character that helps an organism to survive long enough to reproduce more successfully in its changing environment, and can either by structural and behavioral animal adaptation. Now the structural adaptation definition, actual body part or coloration that help an organism to survive in their environment. Example: camouflage, mimicry, bent hind legs, sharp teeth and claws, and the last is the body structure. And now the behavioral adaptation definition, when an organism acts to help them survive in their environment, for example migration, urbanization, warning calls, mating dance, hunting in packs. Adaptation in animal to different climate, the tendency of an organism to develop certain features which improve the chance of its survival in the environment in which it lives is known as adaptation. For example, animal living in very cold climate must possess certain special feature to protect themselves from cold. Similarly, camel and desert rat are adapted to hot climate of the desert. Adaptation is of two types. One is the permanent adaptation and second is the temporary adaptation. Permanent adaptation, it has a genetic basic and it causes permanent change in the individual. For example, camel is well adapted to desert environment and not to the water. Now temporary adaptation, it is a short term adaptation and is not inherited. For example, a bird adapted to live in the cage is a temporary adaptation. As an example of climatic adaptation in animal, we will discuss the animals living in the polar region and tropical rainforest. For polar region, I am going to start with polar bear. Now the adaptation of polar bear. You know that polar bear related to the polar region. Basically polar bear live in a cold, extremely cold climate. For their survival, the nature provide them such adaptation to survive in a very extreme and cold climates. Now I am going to detail about polar bear. It has adaptation that help him in the wild. He has behavior and physical adaptation. His behavioral adaptation are the way he acts, and his physical adaptation are the things he has to his body that he used to survive in a very cold and extreme climatic condition, that is severe cold. It is really good swimmer. This behavioral adaptation allows him to capture prey in the water. It can swim up to 10 km per hour, about 6 mile per hour. Since he is able to catch prey, he is able to eat, and that help him to survive when it is in hibernation state. We know that the polar bear in polar region are white in color. This physical adaptation allow him to camouflage against the ice and snow which he hunts. He cover his back nose with his paws to hide it. In other words, white thick fur make them not easily visible in the snowy background. As a result, white fur protect them from predator and help them in catching their prey. It has small rounded ears that prevent water from entering his ears. A small ear also help him conserve body warmth. A small and rounded ear are physical adaptation. It can dig dens several meter deep. This gives him shelter from gusts of wind. They make great hideouts. This behavior adapt him to survive. They can use their den for hibernation. Hibernation means during winter, polar bear go for a long sleep called hibernation in their den. During hibernation, they live on the stored body fat. It has a thick layer of fat blubber with under his skin. This blubber keeps him warm in the really cold weather and water. The physical adaptation help him survive in such extreme environmental condition. In other words, layer of fat under the skin. The layer of fat under the skin provide additional insulation and protect them from severe cold. Now the adaptation. Behavioral adaptation. Polar bear dig dens to protect themselves from cold wind. The ability to be a strong swimmer help with hunting and swimming through ice. Physical adaptation. The white fur of the polar bear helps it blend in with the snow and ice. Blend means mix. The thick fur or thick layer of fat under the skin helps it stay warm in such cold temperature. Its small and round ears help maintain body heat and do not allow the cold water to enter to their ears. Now, adaptation of penguins. Penguin is the second animal which can survive in polar region, means extreme cold condition. Penguin waddle when they walk. This saves the energy because they are tall with short legs. Penguins move faster on snow and ice by tobogganing. They lie on their front and push themselves with their feet. They can go faster than you can run. Penguins have strong claws and strong short legs. These grips into slippery rocks or ice when they come out of the sea. This webbed feet is also help the penguin in swimming underwater. Penguins pull their feet in close for streamlining when swimming. Like an aircraft pulling at its wheel, penguin can stick a foot out as a water brake. They can turn the head back where they can come in 1/5 of a second. Penguin wings are adapted to be short, stiff, flipper or flying in water. The elbow and the wrist joint are fixed to give a rigid flipper for swimming underwater, means they are helpful for swimming underwater for the penguins. Penguins collect air in their feathers by preening, especially before going to a sea. It insulates against the cold. This trapped air helps the penguin to swim at top speed by releasing as tiny bubbles with reduced drag. Very useful when especially predators, means when there is a predator, this help to swim fast. All penguins apart from king and emperor penguin built a nest. They are a low pile of stones, so if the temperature rises and the snow melts, the nest is not flooded. The emperor and the king penguin parents keep their eggs and then young chicks on their feet. It is covered by a flap of skin called a brood pouch until they are large enough to keep themselves warm and survive in cold climatic condition. Penguins often nest in large colonies, which makes it easier to herd out to sea together. This helps them fish for food better and avoid predator both in the sea and on the land. During a deep dive, a penguin's heart rate slow from 80 to 100 down to 20 beats per second per minute to let them dive for longer time. Now, in short, adaptation. Penguins also live in the polar region. Penguins are of white color with black back. They have thick layer of fat under their skin. This protect them from extreme cold. They usually remain huddled together. This help in keeping them warm. Huddle means in group. They have curved claws which help them to walk in the snow and to swim in water. And the last, these adaptations help the penguin to survive in the extreme condition of the polar region. Now adaptation of birds in the polar region. Polar birds basically. Birds living in the polar region cannot survive in extreme cold winter. To survive, they migrate to warmer region as soon as winter set in and return after the winter is over. The temporary change of living place habitat is called migration. Siberian crane is the example of polar birds which can migrate from Siberia to Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, Rajasthan, Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary in Haryana, wetlands of northern eastern part of India. Siberian crane, a regular visitor. Bharatpur is the real kingdom of the avian fauna in India. with approximately 377 bird species already spotted. In the early October, the bird migrates arrive from Central Asia, Mongolia, and Siberia. The most eagerly waited of the lot being the gravely threatened Siberian crane. Get ready for a sudden encounter with the exclusive Siberian crane. Means the Siberian crane are endangered species. Now the rainforest animal adaptation means the tropical rainforest animals adaptation. How have the animals adapted to the rainforest environment? Tropical rainforests are located around the equator. The climate of the tropical rainforest is hot. The temperature varies from 15 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius and humid. This region gets plenty of rainfall due to warmth and humidity. The rainforests support a wide variety of plants and animals. In tropical rainforest region, the days and the night are nearly equal duration. Tropical rainforest. In India, tropical rainforests are found in the Western Ghat and in Assam. Rainforests are also found in Southeast Asia, Central America, and Central Africa. Rainforests have plenty of food which supports variety of life. Many animals are found in the rainforest, for example, leopard, elephant, snakes, tigers, monkey, buffalo, frogs, apes, lizard, many type of birds, insects, etc. In spite of plenty of food, there is a high level of competition for survival among animals in the rainforest. Now, adaptive features of the animals found in the rainforest. First is the lion. The color of the lion help it in blending in its background. Lion has a high developed sense of smell and night vision. All of these help a lion to catch its prey. Elephant. Elephant have well developed sense of smell. It helps the elephant in finding the food. The trunks has powerful muscles which help the elephant is in uprooting even a big trees. Elephants have a good sense of hearing which help the elephant in sensing danger way in advance. An elephant use its trunks to sprinkle water all over its body so that it can cool down its body temperature. Now monkeys. Monkeys are highly adapted to live in the rainforest. Monkey use its palms and soles to grip a branch and thus can hang and swim for a branch. It can also use its tail to hold a branch. Monkey can climb to a topmost branch of a tree and thus can see very far in the jungle. This helps them in sensing the danger and also finding the food. Now frogs. Frogs are adapted to live both on land and in water. The greenish color of frog help it in mix with the green foliage. Frogs has a long and sticky tongue with which it catch its prey. The tree frogs has developed sticky pads in its claw. This help the tree frogs in climbing a tree and in holding onto a branches. Monkey, red-eyed frog are arbonal. Monkeys use their arms and legs and even their tails to swim from a tree to another. Red-eyed frogs have sticky pads on their tip of their digits. These sticky pads help them climb on the trees. Birds are also adept to roast on the tree. Now the adaptation in sense organ. The animal living in tropical rainforest have sensitive hearing, sharp eyes, skin color which blend with the surrounding called camouflaging. Camouflaging. All these properties help them to locate their prey and protect themselves from the predator because they cannot be seen. I think everyone would understand what I taught in this video. If there is any problem, you can ask question in class.